Good morning, students. How are you all? You must be fine. What were we doing? We were doing chapter 10 Profit and Loss, and I have completed exercise 10.1 yesterday. Today I am explaining you exercise 10.2. In exercise 10.2, in first question you have to find the SP, selling price. Formula of finding SP is, if profit is given, you have to add the profit into CP. And if loss is given, then to find SP, formula is SP is equal to CP minus loss. These two formulas you have to use in question number 1. In question number 1, A part, CP is given how much? 1050. And loss is there. Loss is 175. You have to find SP. SP formula is, you already know, CP minus loss. It means 1050 minus 175. SP you will get rupees 875. Is it okay? This is the answer of A part. Similarly, in B part, CP is given how much? Rupees 475, and profit is given how much? Rupees 12.50. CP is given, profit is given, you have to find the SP. Formula of SP when CP and profit both are given is SP is equal to CP plus profit. In place of CP you have to write 475, and in place of profit you have to write 12.50. So SP will be 487.50 in rupees. Are you understanding? Are you getting it? These questions are very easy. In this way, you have to complete question number 1. Now I am explaining you question number 2. In question number 2, you have to find the CP. क्या निकालना है आपको? सीपी, कॉस्ट प्राइस निकालनी है. सीपी निकालने का फॉर्मूला होता है, जब प्रॉफिट दिया होता है, देन व्हाट वी नीड टू डू, वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द प्रॉफिट फ्रॉम एसपी, एंड इफ लॉस इज देयर, देन व्हाट वी नीड टू डू, वी हैव टू ऐड द लॉस टू एसपी. इज इट ओके? ये फॉर्मूला, you have to learn these two formulas. Now I am explaining you question number 2, A part. In question number 2, A part, what is given? SP is given how much? Rupees 750, and profit is given how much? 150. You have to find the cost price. Formula of cost price is, profit दिया हुआ है, it means you have to subtract profit from SP. Formula is SP minus P, that is 750 minus 150 is equal to rupees 600. This is the answer. Is it okay? Now see B part. In B part, SP is given how much? Rupees 475, and loss is rupees 35. You have to find the CP. जब लॉस दिया होता है तो लॉस को प्लस कर देते हैं. इट मीन्स फॉर्मूला ऑफ फाइंडिंग CP इज SP प्लस लॉस. SP 475 plus 35, it will become 510 rupees. So today you have to complete question number 1 and 2, all the parts. Thank you. This is all for today.